Afternoon guys, another video for Advanced in Cars. So today we've been working on this 2016 BMW 435 convertible. This chap has come all the way down for a factory style aftermarket reversing camera to work in conjunction with his BMW iDrive system and the 10-inch display. We've also done our automatic remote fob control for the convertible roof, which means that from the comfort of anywhere near the vicinity of his remote control, he can open and close his roof, and also from inside we'll have one-touch operation. So come around to the back of the car, we'll show you what we've done and then show you what it looks like on the screen. Okay, so we do a lot of reversing cameras for various makes and models, but the convertible is always going to be the most difficult, and the reason being this particular model is because of the fact that when you operate the electric roof, the whole of this lifts up and back. So therefore, when you're fitting a reversing camera in the boot lid of something like this, you have got to bear in mind that all of the cabling for this camera has to be routed with all of the factory cabling. Now, that's fine, it's not rocket science, but it does take a lot of time, and you have to make sure that none of the cabling for the camera is under stress or duress, because if you break it and it only lasts a couple of months, you're going to have to do it all again, or at least replace the camera, which is a pain in the backside. So here's the camera here, our usual satin black rubbery sort of feel, looks as factory as it can be, and Richard has done a great job of bringing it in all the way down through the main mechanism here, and then once he's done that, we'll shut the boot lid, open up the roof mechanism to about halfway to get access to the inside here. Now if you look at this picture here, you'll be able to see the gubbins, the internal gubbins, and that's the bit that's quite scary because of the fact you don't realise how much work is involved. Right, what we're going to do is we'll jump inside and show you what the camera looks like all on the screen. Right, so we're now sat in the car and all put back together, all working, and in we go like so. Now, this is a BMW, so I won't just be able to put the car into reverse gear without the engine running, and it is a diesel, so you are going to pick up a little bit of that, but of course, with the majority of our videos, we've got music playing in the background, so it shouldn't be too noisy. This is one of the slightly older systems, still the big 10-inch screen, but it is the older BMW operating system, so it's not touchscreen and it doesn't have the tiles, but still works in pretty much the same way. So if I put the car, switch the car on like so, as soon as I put the car into reverse gear, which is just a push forward with the gear stick, you've got your camera view, and we've got parking sensors. The blocks on the screen represent the parking sensors like so, and as soon as we then go to move the steering wheel, we're going to get the moving guidelines. Now, we are in the workshop, so the tyres are squeaking on the workshop floor, but just goes to show that you're going to get full lock left and right, shows you the trajectory of where the steering wheel is. So if I was to go all the way around, the steering wheel looks dead straight, but the lines on the reversing camera display will show you that trajectory is going to end up other than straight. So we're going to put the wheels back like so, and then you get the red lines back on the display. So as soon as we then take it out of reverse gear by pressing park, the camera display goes and the factory optical parking system comes on like so. So pop it back into reverse like so. Now with the BMW systems that we fit, we can use the iDrive jog wheel here to change the menus. Now they don't work with all of them, but if we go 1, 2, 3 and hold, it'll change the display to a smaller rear view camera display. If we then do it again, it will then change the display and give you a part OPS display as well as reversing camera. To be fair, We always prefer to go in with the full screen camera image, so we can do that again. And that will give you back your main widescreen camera image like so. Now the parking sensors are picking up the number plate that we've got on at the moment just to hide the customers, but this is a 2016 BMW 435 convertible. We've done a factory style aftermarket reversing camera. Now we're going to pull the car outside, do a quick demo of the automatic roof and show you how that works as well. So if you've got a car like this and when the sun's out you want to enjoy it with the key fob, electric, automatic, opening of the roof and closing, or you want a reversing camera, get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, follow us on the socials. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day.